Good evening, everyone. I'm Mike. Joyce. We did have a relatively warm and muggy day today, and those humid conditions are persisting into the evening and overnight hours tonight. We have been watching some showers quickly moving across the state today, not really causing a whole lot, but out to our west, we are watching a developing weather system that could impact us throughout the overnight hours this evening. And what we're looking at here is a cold front directly behind a low pressure center that's just going to be centered right across northern Indiana over the next few hours. Now on the leading edge of that, a warm front, and that's why we've really had this warm and humid air mass over our heads today. Dew points pushing up near 70, temperatures in the mid 80s, especially when sunshine eventually did peak out this afternoon. Now, with the remainder of the evening, scattered thunderstorms are still possible in a hotly debatable first round of severe weather that could be coming through this evening. Now, a few of these pop-up storms will be strong, very isolated in nature, some of them with winds up to 58 miles per hour, which is the low end of the severe limits on thunderstorms. Now, the major severe weather event that we are looking at will actually occur in the late evening and overnight hours tonight when a large linear system is forecast to develop. A lot of forecasting models have shown this appearing up so far. This means there is an enhanced risk for damaging winds this evening, but it is important to know that this is not a guarantee of severe weather, but it is an enhanced risk that we will have damaging winds anywhere within the north central Ohio area. So if you do have any outdoor items or windows open, tonight will not be the night to have, of course, not be the night to have windows open, but any outdoor items should be secured this evening, and pets, of course, brought inside as well. Now, with this system, there is also a flood risk with all the rain expected to come through with this linear thunderstorm system. Everywhere shaded here in green will at least have a quarter to a half an inch of rain, but we're talking major rainfall with this system is still possible. Here shaded in the lighter red, 1 to 1.5 inches, and even in northern Ohio, including parts of north central Ohio, could see 2 to maybe even 3 inches of rain once we get to tomorrow afternoon. So it could be definitely a weather event to watch out for, as minor flooding and maybe even a few major flooding events are possible this evening. It's also important to pay attention to the difference between a watch and a warning. A watch does mean atmospheric conditions are correct for severe weather to happen. I would not be surprised at all if a severe thunderstorm watch was issued at some point this evening. And of course, a warning means that severe weather has been detected nearby, and that's when you need to take cover. So for this evening, I think there's a pretty good shot that we're going to see some thunderstorms, definitely rain, 100% chance on that, and lows in the mid 60s this evening. Now tomorrow we could have a few lingering thunderstorms in the morning, definitely still some lingering rain, highs right around 73, not as warm as we were today. Now, Friday and Saturday, that's the calm after the storm. Should be beautiful by Friday, 72 degrees, 77 on Saturday, and then we'll finally start to warm up a little bit again by Monday with a high of 80 degrees. If you would like to stay on top of the severe weather events that could unfold this evening, go to WMFD.com and sign up for severe weather alerts to your cell phone. You'll know exactly when watches and warnings and what type of watches and warnings are issued by the National Weather Service as soon as that happens. Again, that's at WMFD.com.